Now I am discussing about the shifting of supply curve. Shifting of supply curve. Shifting of supply curve means the supply curve shift to the right side and to the left side, or forward shifting and backward shifting. So now see, we can classify the shifting of supply concept into the two heads: the increase of supply, or forward shifting of supply, or rightward shifting of supply, and the decrease of supply, or backward shifting of supply, or leftward shifting. Now see how we can draw the curve and how graphically I can explain the concept. At first you draw two dimension curve, x o x dash x axis and y o y dash y axis. Y o y dash denote the price in rupees, and x o x dash denote quantity supply in units. Clear? Now draw supply curve, and we know that supply curve is upward moving. Now see, OP is the price of commodity, and when the price is OP, then the quantity supplied to the market is OQ. Clear? And the point is A. So at the point A, when price is OP, quantity supply is OQ. Clear on this part? Now the concept is increase of supply, means the supply curve shift to the right side. If supply curve shift to the right side, then see what is happening. The new supply curve arises, and the new supply curve is S1 S1. This is the dotted curve. Okay, S1 S1. So when the supply curve shift to the right side, then see the quantity supply to the market is increasing. And how much amount of quantity supply increased? From OQ to OQ1. OQ to OQ1. That means Q1 portion supply increase. And this is the concept of the increase of supply or forward shifting of supply, because the supply curve shift to the right side. Now I am going to the second part, is the decrease of supply. Decrease of supply means the supply curve shift to the left side. Now again you draw the curve, the same process, x o x dash and y o y dash denote price in rupees, and here quantity supply, okay, in units. Clear? Again you draw a supply curve. So here S is the supply curve. Take point A. When the quantity supply, when the price is OP, then the quantity supply is OQ. This is very simple. Now see, the supply curve shift to the left side. If supply curve shift to the left side, then new supply curve arises. The new supply curve is S2 S2, and the point A to B, this point was B, now here is C. Suppose the quantity supply reduced from OQ to OQ2, OQ to OQ2, that means Q2 supply is reducing. So this concept is called the backward shifting of supply. Now see, I am adding both the concept, increase of supply and the decrease of supply, together with. So if I add both the concept together with, so automatically you can get the entire concept of the shifting of supply. Now see. So this is a two-dimension curve, x o x dash and y o y dash denote price in rupees, and here is quantity supply in units. Clear? You draw the supply curve S. When the price is OP, quantity supply is OQ at the point A. Suppose if supply curve shift to the right side, then new supply curve arises. When new supply curve is S1, see, due to the changes of shifting of the supply curve from SS to S1, SS to S1, then what is happening? The supply increase from OQ to OQ1. So OQ to OQ1. That means QQ1 portion supply is increasing. Clear this part? Now see, when supply curve shift to the left side, then new supply curve arises S2. Okay? When new supply curve arises S2, then see the quantity supply reduced from OQ to OQ2. When SS curve shift to S2, then what is happening? SS to S2, then see quantity supply reduced from OQ to OQ2, OQ to OQ2. That means Q2 portion supply is reducing. This is the concept of the decrease in supply or the backward shifting of supply. So if you add together increase and decrease of supply together with, then you can get the entire concept of the shifting of the supply curve. So clear on this part? Bye.